Welcome back to the channel all. So today, this is what we're working on, is getting the Tyvek drain wrap from DuPont wrapped around our house. So we're getting the house wrap on. It's covering all the windows and doors and everything, but that's okay. We can always cut them out when needed. We're trying to get this done today since it's supposed to rain tomorrow. There's a slight chance, but still a chance. And we don't want our OSB board to get wet since it soaks up water just like a sponge. We're using the Tyvek from DuPont because it's a much better product over some of the others that are available. So yeah, this is where we currently stand. The roof is on and we're getting this done. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll get it done before it gets dark. It's just taken 3 hours to get half the house finished. We'll see what the next 3 hours bring. So if you like this video and you want to follow us on our progression through the house build, please like and subscribe to our channel. This is Amateur Owner Builder.